club rock jumps upon the scene with a lean and a pocket full of green.
Kardom Karbi Anglong, it's me Rupam Bora aka Karbi Bora. This is a shout out video for my one-day masterclass which is happening on the 12th of March at Dokmoka Karbi Anglong. So make yourself registered, and I'm super excited for this because I've seen Karbi Anglong dances before and they super inspired me last time. So yeah, make yourself registered, and for the more details you can check the poster that you will get all the information. Yeah, so keep dancing, keep hustling. Love and peace. This is Karbi Boram signing out.
The summer's almost done, no time for sleep. Jump in your Jeep and pump up the funky beat. Holy beaver goes off, yo, smash it, then trash it. You're too young to be pumped in a casket. Just get your boys and bring the noise and just swing it. And party people sing it.